So we had a problem last year with some birds getting in our storage and attic. Happened again, so this year we called someone to, fix the problem, block out their entrance so they can't get in. Well, what happened was the birds were in there and their exit got blocked. So now, instead of getting rid of them, they're stuck in the vents. These poor birds legitimately have no way to get out because the lady we called didn't bother making sure they were gone, they just closed it up. So now we gotta go outside and figure out how to open this vent thing and hopefully get them out. I feel so bad for these poor babies.